Hello students, we were discussing our chapter 22. Now the next topic of this chapter is functions. We have already discussed about functions. Now I will start from the exercise 22.6 from your book. Question number 1, A part is, if the value of a function at the point x, f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. The meaning of this is the value of function f is the name of the function, at the point x is 3x plus 2. You have to find the value of this function at various points. First part is, if I want to find f of 2, what I will do, in place of x, I will substitute 2 in the right hand side as well. So here in place of x, I will substitute 2. So 3 into 2 plus 2, that is 8. Next, if I want to find the value of the function at the point minus 2. So what I will do, in place of x, I will substitute minus 2 in the right hand side as well. So this will be 3 into minus 2 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2, answer is minus 4. Similarly, if I want to find the value of the same function at the point f is at 0.5. So substitute x is equal to 0.5, the answer is 3.5. So this is an idea how to calculate the values of the functions at some points. Now question number 3 is, f is such that x maps to x square minus 4. Now this is a different notation of a function, but the meaning is exactly same. You can write it like this also, f of x is equal to x square minus 4. So both have the same meaning. We read it like this, f is such that x maps to x square minus 4. It means f of x is equal to x square minus 4. So the value of function at the point x is x square minus 4. So make it clear. Now A part is, find the value of the function at 2. What I will do, I will substitute x is equal to 2 in the right hand side as well. So this will be 2 square minus 4, 4 minus 4, answer is 0. If I want to find the value of the same function at the point 1.5, so this will be substituting x is equal to 1.5, 1.5 square minus 4, answer is minus 2.75. So this way you can calculate the value of the function at any point. Now sixth question is, if the value of function fx is 3x minus 1 and there is a condition that 3 times the value of the function is equal to 3. This is the condition given to you in the question, that 3 times f of x is equal to 3, then find the value of x. What you will do, we know the value of f of x is 3x minus 1, substitute here. All other things will remain same. Now open the brackets, this will be 9x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now shift this constant to the other side, it will become 9x is equal to 6. Now shift this 9 in the denominator, here it is in the product, then other side it will be in the division. So x is equal to 6 by 9, that is in the simplest form it will be 2 by 3. Next is question number 8. Now in place of f of x we have the name of the function g. So g of x is equal to square root of 4x plus 1, and the condition is given to you in the question that g of x is equal to 5. If g of x is equal to 5, then what will be the value of x? What we will do, substitute the value of gx is equal to square root of 4x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now I want to find the value of x. Firstly, I have to remove this square root sign. What I will do, squaring both sides. When I will square both the sides, this square root will eliminate. Here 5 square will become 25. So 4x is equal to 25. Shift this one to the other side. 25 minus 1, that is 24. So 4x is equal to 24. Now 4 will be in the denominator. So x will be 6. This is the value of x. Question number 9. F of x is equal to x square minus x. Another function g of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 12. Now you want to find the value of x if f of x is equal to g of x. Means if two functions are equal, at what point of x the functions will be same. Now substitute the value of f of x in the left hand side. Substitute the value of g of x in the right hand side. What we will do, we will take the like terms and the unlike terms. Now I have shifted all the terms on the left hand side, x square minus x. This will become minus x square plus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. This x square and x square will cancel each other. So what is left behind? Minus x plus 3x, that is 2x plus 12 equal to 0. I can take 2 common from these two terms. So what is left behind? X plus 6 equals to 0. Now this 2 is shifted, so it will be x plus 6 equal to 0, or you can say x is equal to minus 6. Now question number 10 is, again a function f of x is equal to 2x. You have to find the value of this function at the point a plus 2. Means in place of x we are to substitute a plus 2. So in right hand side where there is x we will put a plus 2. So 2 into a plus 2, open the brackets, answer is 2a plus 4. C part, you have to find f of 4a. f of 4a means in place of x you will substitute 4a. Keep in mind all the other things will remain same, only the place where x is there the value will be substituted in that place only. All the other things will remain same. So it will be 2 into 4a, that is 8a. D part, you want to find 4 times f of a. Now 4 will remain same, f of a. Now f of x is 2x, so it will be 2 into a. It will be 8a. 11th question is, f of x is equal to 4 plus x over x. Now you want to find f of 1 by 2. It means in place of x you will substitute 1 by 2. So it will be 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Or you can say 1 by 2 means 0.5. So 4 plus 0.5 divided by 0.5. The answer is 9. B part of the question is, if the value of f of x according to question, this condition is given to you. If f of x is equal to 3, then what is the value of x? Now f of x means 4 plus x over x. So substitute here is equal to 3. Now shift this x to the other side. It will become 4 plus x is equal to 3x. Now again shift this x to the other side. 4 is equal to 3x minus x, that is 4 is equal to 2x. So you can say x is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. So this way you can calculate all the quotients of functions. You will complete the exercise 22.6 and send it to me by today evening 6 p.m. Thank you. Have a nice day.